Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Turn off power at the breaker for the circuit feeding the downlight. Verify the breaker controls the correct light using a voltage tester. Read the fixture label to confirm voltage and lamp type, for example 120V or LED retrofit modules. Gather tools now: a stable ladder, insulation gloves, screwdriver, wire stripper, and a 5-inch cutoff template if needed. Clear furniture from beneath the work area and lay a drop cloth to catch dust and small parts. Stand on a stable ladder and remove the trim by pulling or unscrewing according to the trim type. Take out the lamp and inspect the spring clips or screws securing the housing to the ceiling. Open the junction box and test wires again to confirm no voltage is present. Disconnect the fixture wires by loosening wire nuts and noting color orientation for hot, neutral, and ground. Remove the old housing and measure the can size to match the replacement specification. Prep the new downlight by reading its installation instructions and confirming it fits the can. Connect wires precisely: black to hot, white to neutral, and green or bare to ground, twisting and securing with wire nuts. Tuck wires back into the junction box and mount the retrofit into the can using the provided springs or clips. Reinstall the trim and confirm the housing sits flush with the ceiling. Restore power at the breaker and test the fixture, verifying dimmer compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.